Hello all, on the occasion of Good Governance Day, now I am going to give a small presentation on Atal Bihari Vajpayee role in Kargil War. Before that, you need to know about Kargil War. Here is a look. Kargil War took place in the 1999 May-July between India and Pakistan in the Kargil district of Kashmir and elsewhere along the line of control. The main cause of war was a series of past events that worsened the already existing Indo-Pak became progressively worse. In May 1999, some Kashmiri shepherds discovered the presence of militants and non-uniformed Pakistani soldiers in the Kashmiri Valley, where they had taken control of borders, hilltops, and unmanned border posts. The incursion was centered around the town Kargil, but also included the Batalik and Aknur sectors and artillery exchanging at the Siachen Glacier. The Indian Army responded with Operation Vijay, which launched on 26 May 1999. This saw the Indian military fighting thousands of militants and soldiers in the midst of heavy large caliber guns used in warfare on land and while facing extremely cold weather, snow and treacherous terrain at the high altitude. Over 500 Indian soldiers were killed in the 3-month long Kargil war, and it is estimated around 550 to 4,000 Pakistani militants and soldiers died as well. India pushed back the Pakistani militants and Northern Light Infantry soldiers. Almost 70% of the territory was recaptured by India. Now coming to the role, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. At the time of Kargil war, Vajpayee sir sent a secret letter to the US President Bill Clinton that if Pakistani inflators did not withdraw from the Indian territory, we will get them out one way or the other, meaning he did not rule out crossing the line of control or was the use of nuclear weapons. After Pakistan suffered heavy losses and with both the United States and China refusing to condone an attack or threaten India to stop its military operations, General Pervez Musharraf was having an obstinately uncooperative attitude towards authority, and Nawaz Sharif, 20th Prime Minister of Pakistan, asked the remaining militants to stop and withdraw to position along the line of control. The militants were not willing to accept orders from Sharif, but not Northern Light Infantry soldiers withdrew. The militants were killed by the Indian Army or forced to withdraw skirmishes, which continued even after the announcement of withdrawal by Pakistan. Jai Hind. A big salute to Kargil war heroes and the great role possessed by our one of the best Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Thank you all.